Hello, I'm YinYang. Today I would like to show you a video where I explain the TEnketsu method to students at my Osaka classroom, as featured in my short videos, since the explanation is for my Japanese students. The entire video is in Japanese also. I used AIvoiceter to speak on my behalf. By watching this video till the end, you will master the TEnketsu method. Please watch until the end. Here it is.
When addressing mental and physical issues with Japanese traditional medicine, it's crucial to harmonize the flow of ki, a vital life energy. When I tell my students, let's harmonize the flow of ki, they respond enthusiastically with yes. However, when I ask them, where do you think the ki is located? Many place their hands on their chest and say, here. Ki flows through the meridians, energy channels that run throughout the body. We pay special attention to the vertical meridians, as blockages in the flow of ki can lead to illness. Finding these blockages is a challenging yet fascinating aspect of our practice. If the flow of ki is obstructed, the functions of the related organs are also affected. Therefore, it is necessary to locate the blockage in the meridians and treat it with massage or acupuncture. By inserting needles into the areas where ki is blocked, we can regulate its flow. Here, you can insert a diagram showing the meridians and their flow. The meridians have specific points, known as acupuncture points or tsubo. By inserting needles into these points, we stimulate the accumulation of ki and improve its flow. Of course, this is a conceptual image. Acupuncture, particularly needle therapy, is effective for improving the flow of ki. But, of course, we can also approach it manually through massage, shiatsu, and other techniques that work along the meridians. For example, meridians are divided into primary and collateral channels. Although this diagram is drawn horizontally, the primary channels flow vertically. Moreover, they have directions. Yin channels flow from bottom to top, while Yang channels flow from top to bottom. If the flow of a particular channel is weakened, we approach it along the channel. Therefore, the fundamental approach of the TEnketsu method is to emphasize the flow of meridians during massages. Typically, massages are performed centripetally, but in meridian massage, we focus on the bladder meridian, massaging from top to bottom. The bladder meridian is the second longest channel. Ordinary massages are centripetal, so for legs, we would massage the ankles, calves, behind the knees, and the back of the thighs. However, in meridian massage, we prioritize the flow of ki over blood flow, so we massage the bladder meridian from top to bottom to improve ki flow. Additionally, there is another approach I would like to introduce, which has been made into a book, Meridian Stretching and Lymphatic Massage. The theory is that muscles and joints with poor ki flow become stiff, so we stretch these areas to improve the flow of ki. Again, massage and shiatsu are effective. However, shiatsu can only approach the surface. Therefore, the point pressing technique was developed to stimulate the meridians. Please use point pressing along with massage and shiatsu. I want to expand this method, and I hope you will learn it. When performing point pressing, nails may sometimes touch the skin. Therefore, I believe it is best used for self-care. From now on, approach the meridians, stretch the related muscles, perform shiatsu, and finally use the point pressing technique on the points. Of course, acupuncture and moxibustion treatments are more effective, but as I have mentioned before, important points are often found from the elbow to the fingertips and from the knee to the toes. There are important points at the tips of the toes, but using needles there can be quite daunting. However, using hands for care or the point pressing technique is not as intimidating. Please master this method and apply Japanese traditional medicine using your hands and fingers.
Yet, acupuncture is very useful treatment for promoting health, but you need to be a licensed acupuncturist to perform acupuncture treatment. However, while it does reach the level of acupuncture treatment using the TEnketsu method, can produce similar effects. Of course, you need the knowledge to select the appropriate pressure points, and in this video, I aim to share such knowledge as well. Please continue watching the short videos on the TEnketsu method. While mastering the theory behind acupuncture treatment, if you find today's video helpful, please give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video. Bye.